Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix EA app not opening. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So here we are on my desktop. Now there's a couple of things you can do and try to resolve this error. And the first thing you're going to want to do is find the EA app on your desktop. So you can see it's down here, and what you want to do first is right click onto this and come down and click onto properties. So this is going to open up a window like this. Now if you look at the top, you've got all these different apps, and what you want to do is click onto compatibility from here. This is just a couple of things we're going to change. So the first thing you're going to want to do is tick this box to run this program in compatibility mode. Click on the drop down box and changes from Windows 8 to Windows 7. Next, under the settings section down here, you want to tick the box to run this program as an administrator. And once that's done, go ahead and click apply to apply the settings. So once I don't click OK to come out here and try and run the app again. Now if it's still not working, there's something else you can try. So what you want to do is hold down the Windows key and then press R on your keyboard, and it's going to bring up a run box which is going to look like this. Now if this doesn't work, then just come down to the search box down here and go ahead and type run into the search box and insert the run app underneath the best match. So in this box you want to type the following, which is the %symbol followed by local app data and then a %symbol afterwards, and then click OK. What it's going to do is load up a folder like this. Now what you want to do is actually find the Electronic Arts folder. So you can just click onto any folder, press E on your keyboard. That's going to teach you to order E section, and you can see the Electronics Arts folder here. So what you want to do from here is basically delete the Electronics folders art. So what you want to do from here is basically delete the Electronic Arts folder. You can see that's now been deleted. What you of course want to do after this is make sure you delete it from your recycle bin. Just display emptying your recycle bin. Once that's done, go ahead and double click on the app to run it, and that should hopefully resolve this issue. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.